Hi friends! Today we are going to be making geometric shapes using the squares of numbers. So here I have a triangle and it's using three groups of three, or three of the threes beads. So if I form the square, I see I have 3 taken 3 times. We can say 3 times 3 equals 9, or we can say 3 squared. Let's look at the geometric shape again that I made. So I made a triangle, and if I were to go like this, it wouldn't be a geometric shape because you see how that's open? That wouldn't be either, because again, that's open. And if I went like that, that's not a geometric shape either, because you see how part of the bead is hanging off the end. All right, so let me make it again. And you see how the ends are touching and nothing's open. That's a geometric shape. Okay, let's do another one together. So this time we're going to use the square of 4. So we need 4 of our 4s beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you remember the multiplication equation that goes with this one? If you do, you can call it out. We have 4 taken 4 times, so it's 4 times 4. And what does that equal? 16. Yeah. Okay, so now let's try to make a geometric shape with this. Go ahead and try it. All right, let's see what shape we get. It's a square. Okay, let's put these back and let's do one more. Okay, if we do the 5s, how many of the 5s beads do we need to take to make the square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 taken 5 times gives you that perfect square. And what's the multiplication equation that goes with this? 5 times 5. Yeah, and what does it equal? 25. You could also say it as 5 squared. All right, now see what geometric shape you can make with the 5 5s. All right, let's see. So it has to be a closed figure, and all the sides have to be touching. Oh, I need to make that bigger. There we go. Do you know what that shape is called? I'll have to look it up because I do not remember. I want to say pentagon, but I want to get it right. I think it is a pentagon. All right, so now you can do the same with the 6s, 7s, 8s, 9s, and 10s. But let's look at the 1s first. 1 squared, or 1 times 1 equals 1. Can you make a geometric shape with that? No. How about 2 squared? Can you make a geometric shape with that? No, not really. Okay, so start at the 6s and you'll do the rest by yourself. Bye, friends.